Hey there, wonderful people! It's Maria from Maram's Corner, and today we're diving into the liberating world of decluttering. I'm here to guide you through the art of simplifying your space, whether it's your home, wardrobe, or digital life. Let's get ready to create some space for joy, shall we? First up, let's tackle the clutter in our living spaces. It's time to transform your home into a haven of serenity. Tip 1. Start small and focus on one area at a time. It could be your cluttered closet, the kitchen pantry, or that overflowing bookshelf. Tackle it like a champ. Tip 2. Embrace the 3-box method. Label 3 boxes as keep, donate, shall, and trash. As you declutter, sort items into these boxes. Tip 3. Be ruthless but kind to yourself. Ask, does this item bring me joy or serve a purpose? If not, it might be time to let go. The wardrobe! A treasure trove of memories and clothing. Let's declutter and make room for pieces that truly make us feel fantastic. Tip 1. The hanger test. Turn all your hangers backward. After wearing an item, hang it back the right way. After a few months, donate or sell the item still on backward hangers. Tip 2. The 1-year rule. If you haven't worn it in the past year, it's time to say goodbye. Tip 3. Organize your clothes by category and color for an easy, stress-free morning routine. Now, let's tackle the digital clutter that sneaks into our lives. It's time to declutter your devices and online presence. Tip 1. Unsubscribe from email lists you no longer engage with. An organized inbox is a peaceful mind. Tip 2. Regularly delete old files and photos. Back up what's important, then let go of the rest. Tip 3. Organize your digital files into clearly labeled folders. Your future self will thank you. There you have it, friends. Decluttering isn't just about tidying up. It's about creating space for what truly matters in your life. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Maram's Corner and hit that notification bell. We've got more decluttering adventures and life simplification coming your way.